Hi Queen and Company friends, it's Marianne here today. I am just opening up my Fancy Fusions that I received, and I thought maybe you would like to have a little bit closer of a look. This one here is the Fancy Fusions Love Letter. I thought I would open them for you and then tell you what is inside so you can see. Now each package has a mix. Oh, there's a couple pieces left in there, but you'll be able to see. Each package has a mix of bling inside. This one includes lips and, oh, those are the little red pieces in there. Hearts, envelopes, pearls. This one also has sprinkles and jelly gems. And it's a mixture of so many different items. They're about a tablespoon, I would say a rounded tablespoon, honestly, of cute, adorable little gems. And we've pre-mixed it for you. You could mix it with a little bit more. Look what I did. You could mix it with a little bit more goodies that you have maybe in your stash or that you purchase. A few more pearls would be absolutely gorgeous to make this stretch a little further. That one is one of my favorites. The next one that we have is the Lucky Day Fancy Fusions. This one would match perfectly with the new Lucky Day, set that is coming out. That should be here shortly. This one includes shamrocks. It has the yellow confetti, sprinkles, diamonds. So cute. Look at the little diamonds. This just reminds me of a pot of gold. I absolutely adore these. The next set that we have is the blue one. The blue one is called Chilly Willy. And I know we have some winter sets that are in the store. This is perfect for the winter season, and we here in New England are not out of it yet, and I don't think much of you are. I think Texas could use some of these toppings. Remember that these toppings are not edible. They are not for cupcakes. Oh, how adorable would this be for cupcake toppings though. Look at how cute these are. You get snowflakes, penguins, confetti, pearls, sprinkles, and some diamonds. Just a mixture of a whole bunch of goodness. I love that one as well. All right, the next item that we have is the spring one. The spring, I believe it's called Bunny. No, this one's Bunny Hop. Let's do Bunny Hop. I think this one's adorable. I tried to open these a little beforehand to make it a little easier. Bunny Hop is super cute for spring or for Easter. It contains carrots and there's bunnies in there, half of an egg, confetti, jelly gems, and even some more sprinkles. This is cute. Again, it's a tablespoon of toppings or maybe a little more, and it's all mixed up. Look at those little chicks. And those carrots. I don't think they could be any cuter. Maybe if we could put it in a gallon bucket, that would make it cuter. The next item is the spring fling. I knew there was a spring one. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, these are adorable. These have butterflies, I can see. They have tulips. Oh, they have clouds. Pearls. Sprinkles. I think I hit on everything. The butterflies are purple and the tulips are pink. Little white clouds. Just a mixture of goodness all over again. The next one would go perfect with the love letter. I know we already had this one, but this one is called Fancy Fusions XO. It could go with a lot of your love cards that you've made with the typewriter. Oh, how about a bunch of X's and O's along with that typewriter that's in the kit? And that heart that says love. And there's a bunch of pearls in here as well. some diamonds. Oh, they're called conversation hearts. Those are super cute. And then last but not least, this one is called Frozen. If you have a little girl, or if you enjoyed the movie Frozen, or you have our winter kits that we have in the store, this would be perfect. This includes mittens, and those are purple, I believe. We have mittens, snowflakes, confetti, sprinkles, and diamonds. How cute are those? Aren't they adorable? I love that darker blue. Those are confetti pieces. Oops, I just grabbed out snowflakes. They are gorgeous. So if you are interested in some mixed toppings or never quite know what to mix together when you're putting toppings in your shaker, we've pre-made some for you. Right now we have 7 sets of pre-made mixed toppings, and we call them Fancy Fusion. Head to the store at queenandcompany.com and see which ones that you like, if not all of them. But remember, don't add them to cupcakes. They only go in your shakers.